Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss and presentation a material about degree of comparison with tema about education. Introduce myself. My name is Sarah Fadila and my friend
Yes, Panji Wiranto.
Indonesia and Japan. Education system. Education is a learning process for students to be able to know, evaluate, and apply and knowledge gained from learning in class or experience that occur in everyday life. But we will not only discuss what education is, but also how is the Indonesia education system with other countries such as Japan. Similarities. There are some similarities about Indonesia and Japan education system. Indonesia education is the same level as Japan's education, with an education level of 6 years of elementary school, 3 years of junior high school, and 3 years of high school. The average age of elementary school students in Japan is 6 to 7 years old as in Indonesia, and they will graduate high school in the age range of 17 to 18 years old. Japan students upload their cultural values as much as Indonesia students. Indonesia students get traditional lessons such as arts and culture as well as Japan with Japan's literature lesson. Difference in education system in Indonesia and Japan. Study hours in Indonesia are faster than study hours in Japan because study hours in Indonesia start at 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., while in Japan it starts from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The education system in Japan is better than the education system in Indonesia because students in Japan can only take subject exam when they are in fourth grade. For 3 years, they were not assessed how smart science was, but they were focused on learning ethics. Transportation in Japan is more attractive than Indonesia because students in Japan from elementary to high school are prohibited from using motorized vehicle, but to walk and for walk to school. Students in Japan usually live using public transportation and many even forced to walk. Next presentation will be continued by my friend Panji.
Superlative degree. Japan is one of the best country to study in. Besides being famous for in science and technology education, Japan also has a very supportive learning environment and culture. Several universities such as Osaka University, Kyoto University, and the University of Tokyo are leading universities that even Japanese students dream of. The Japanese education system is most disciplined education system as of ever known. One example is the discipline of mind study or are from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Each student enters school past 8 o'clock. Student will be asked to promise not repeat them. However, the promise will turn into an act of suspension when they do the sum as a later date. This suspension is useful to reward students so that they are reluctant to repeat their mistake. So it can be concluded that the education system of Indonesia and Japan have similarity and difference. The similarity of culture factor is that Indonesia and Japan both uphold their respective culture values. Then Another equation is also in the educational act of student between Indonesia and Japan is also the same. Meanwhile, the difference in the education system between Indonesia and Japan can be seen from the transportation use, where students in Japan usually go to school using public transportation such as trains, bus, or bicycle. Even many students in Japan also choose to walk to school. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, almost many students go to school to bring two-wheel vehicle to school. In addition to the number of objects in Japan is less than in Indonesia. So students can focus more on learning and not feel pressure by the lesson. Thank you for attention.
Thank you.